In this video I'm going to show you how to fix a printer, especially the HP printer where all the lights are flashing. We can clearly see the power light is flashing, all other lights are flashing, and also the screen icons are flashing. If we give a close look on the screen icons, we can see all the markings are showing up. The most important thing is to find out why this error is happening. If you have recently used your printer and after that you have seen these lights are showing up, that means something is gone wrong with the printer. We have done something in a way that is causing the error. For example, in this printer I just have replaced the print heads and it happened after that. So it can be the print head replacement. And if you have tried to scan documents, if you try to print, that means it is related to that thing. So let's check if we can fix it. So first we will press the power button and see what happens. So we can see all the lights are gone. This should be the first step to resolve the issue. Let's do a copy test to see if it's working properly or not. So I'm just going to do a copy. Let's do color copy and give a print command. If your printer is working normal after doing this step, that means your printer should be working normal. So here we can see this printer is working normal and just pressing the power button fixed the issues. So we don't have to do anything else. In your case it may be a different issue, but you can just try the same process and let me know in the comments if that works for you or not. If you have any other problem, I will try to fix that. Hopefully this video will help you to fix your printer where all the lights are flashing in the HP printer. Thanks for watching.